Hello, everyone. Welcome to Health in the Kitchen. Today, we will teach you how to prepare a delicious, healthy and easy to make salad, quinoa salad with tomato, cucumber and fresh herbs. This recipe is perfect for those looking for a light, nutritious and full of flavor meal. And best of all, it's super practical and quick to prepare. So let's go. Before we start preparing the salad, be sure to leave your like, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos every week. And if you like the recipe, share it with your friends and family. Alright, before we get started, let's go to the ingredients of this healthy delight. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 diced chopped tomato, half Japanese cucumber chopped into cubes, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 1/4 cup chopped mint, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and black pepper to taste. Now, with all the ingredients in hand, let's go to the preparation walkthrough. In a large bowl, mix the quinoa, tomato and cucumber. Add the chopped herbs, parsley and mint, and mix well. In another bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, salt and black pepper. Pour this mixture over the quinoa salad and mix well so that all ingredients are well incorporated. Serve immediately or store in the refrigerator until serve time. So, what did you think of our quinoa salad recipe with tomato, cucumber, and fresh herbs? If you like it, leave your like, subscribe to our channel and comment below what you think of the recipe. And don't forget to check out our ebook with over 50 healthy recipes for your day-to-day. The link to download the ebook is in the video description. And that's it, guys, that was our quinoa salad recipe with tomato, cucumber and fresh herbs. We hope you enjoyed it and can do it at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you next time.